she was like, I don't know. And she just went on and on about the same point. And she delivered her lecture almost like a sort of poem.
Yes, she was quoting this one poem by Celan, which I love very much. Schwarze Milch des Todes, wir trinken nicht, Mann. Black milk of death, we drink it. But then the best thing was she showed this one movie, and Sidney Poitier was singing in French, and she was translating, going like, "Little shepherdess, come into my." Yeah, so.
And then I love the moment when the woman said, you know, blind people.
Yes, Deborah Howard. She's the head of our faculty, and this woman, for this one point, ruined her entire thesis about like the sensual touch because she was going on and how she dips her finger into the milk, and then Deborah Howard was like, she did it with the orange juice as well. That's just what blind people do to still see how full the glass is, and the woman just went like, oh.
And our whole like, you know, magnificent construction.
And it was such a funny moment because like all the people, like I was waiting for someone to just burst out laughing.
I was like, literally
At one point,
you fell asleep. So many times.
I fell asleep, and then also at one point, when I was aware of how ridiculous it was, I actually like snorted because control the fact that I was just.
It was the second lecture and the first one that I went in these series, and I was like thinking, I'm at Cambridge at the graduate art history seminars, and there's this woman like, and the black dark chocolatey bunny.
It was so.
Oh God! But we once had a lecture on Montesquieu.
It didn't even make any sense. Like, it was just a string of
No, but she wrote a book. She talked about the book that she wrote.
Yeah.
I was really dying to get my hands on that.
Yes, I'd quite like to see that book. Just to see whether it actually makes any sense, or whether it's just like sort of
We once had
words with images. Blue milk.
yeah. We once had this lecture on
Oh God. So you once had lecture on Montesquieu?
Yeah, lecture first. Oh God, that's really awful. And then it was like the guy who came like in, and he had this white hair and this huge glasses, and he was standing there and he was completely confused and he didn't know how to handle his notes and everything. And then he started like, yeah. And the first time I read this book, I remember was in Greece. And then I was just in the middle of it when I forgot it on the